Writing code in an internet browser is fine, but you're probably wondering what kind of tools professional developers use, and how you get something like this actually onto your phone. This installation comes in two parts. First, we're going to install something called the Java Development Kit. And only once we're done with that, then will we install Android Studio. I want you to think of Android Studio like a workshop. And this is a pretty special workshop because it's specifically designed for making Android applications. One where we have automated help that makes creating apps easier. The thing is that while this workshop is great, it's pretty useless without tools, and that's where the Java Development Kit comes in. Before we set anything else up, first we'll install the Java Development Kit. Essentially, we're grabbing our tools. Then we set up our app making workshop by installing Android Studio. Now it's important that you do these steps in order and complete them correctly. If you don't have your tools ready, then you won't be able to do anything in your workshop. The whole process of setting both of these up should take you about 30 minutes to an hour if your internet connection is fast. Okay, let's get started.